Chapter 1. Insert chosen pages from a document to PDF. Let us insert pages of our choice from an existing file to this PDF document. We do that by clicking Insert button from the toolbar. This will prompt me to choose a file from my computer. You can choose to insert pages from more than 120 plus different document types such as PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, documents, or email files such as MSG, email, etc. For this demonstration, I will choose this Word document. Notice here, the app automatically loads and displays all the pages of the Word document into this new donor panel, which is on the right. Now, all you have to do is to choose the pages from the donor panel and add them to the specific location or page in the original PDF document. This is easily done by dragging the pages from the donor section and dropping them to your desired location or page on the original PDF document. A cursor appears in the direction of the mouse, showing you the position or page in the original document where you can insert the selected donor pages. Once you've found a position, release the mouse to drop the pages. The app will automatically rearrange the pages on the original PDF document, including the page numbers, to account for the newly inserted pages. Once you are satisfied, save the changes made by clicking Save PDF button on the toolbar. Inserting a document to your PDF has never been that easy.